So I'm a cat mama of three, and nothing brings me joy than when I give my babies a new toy and I see them going crazy over it. And listen, if you're ready to have a good time cracking up watching them play, you have to get this Jkanti interactive cat toy. Now I'm showing you everything that came in the box, and it comes with this little booklet just so you can get an idea of how to use it properly. Now what I love about it is that it comes with two of these little tails. So even if you have aggressive players, you still will have everything that you need. You see, I'm trying to film a video and my cat couldn't wait to play with it. Now, look at this. They had so much fun. And when I tell you this thing goes, this thing goes. My cats were almost out of breath trying to track it down and catch it. There's something about that little fluorescent like tail at the end. Oh my gosh, they love that. These are my two younger cats, and they had so much fun with it. But the real test was taking it into the den where my older cat right here was, because he doesn't really like to play with anything. It even got him off the sofa and playing. This is great for indoor cats to get a good workout in and to keep them occupied. I love mine. I think you'll love yours too.